I'm gonna show you how to manually fold your BMW mirrors. You see right here, say just use your hand. This is my daughter 2006 BMW. It's a 530i. A couple of days I tried to fold it and it wouldn't move because it had been sitting there for a while. So the best thing to do is just use your hip and just push on it. That'll give you leverage and it'll close. I'm gonna show you that again. The first time you want to do it, try it this way because it's a whole lot easier. Because it's probably seized up a little bit, just push it and you see how it goes up and then come in. It's really simple. And another way what you can do is you can just push on it. Just push. You see how I pushed it a little bit and it jerked? Let's do that again. You see that? And if you're sitting in a vehicle, you're reaching out your window, what you can do, you can pull it instead of pushing it. So I'm gonna pull on this. You see how it went up a little bit and then it folded. Let's do it one more time so you can see how easy it is. Just jerk on it a little bit right here. See how it jerks and it closes. And that's really all to it. I know this is a simple video. I hadn't seen one out there, so I said I'm gonna make one, but I'm gonna zoom in the bottom and show you. You see this little lip right here? That's where they have to get over. So that's why it jerks like that. You see how it's set in place? And that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.